Let's take a quick look at what the closest average heat map does and what you can use it for. It shows the average travel time to the closest opportunities. Based on real street network data and the selected travel mode and travel time limit, the tool calculates how long it takes on average to reach the set number of destinations from each hexagon within the set time limit. It can be used to compare differences in average travel times to amenities across different neighborhoods, or to see if there are areas with high average travel times to amenities that could benefit from improved transport infrastructure. In this tutorial, we'll compute a walking closest average heat map with a 10-minute travel time limit to 2 destinations. Let's go through the steps to create this in Goat. Click on Toolbox on the right side panel and select Accessibility Indicators, then select Heat Map Closest Average from the menu. Now let's create the settings. At the routing type, choose Walking, Biking, Pedelec, or Car as the desired transportation mode. Here we're choosing Walking. Then we need to select a point layer as our opportunity layer. We're choosing a supermarket layer, which we previously added from the catalog, and filtered it so that we're only using the points that we need. Afterwards, we need to set the travel time limit. This can range from 3 to 30 minutes. Let's proceed with 10 minutes. Lastly, we need to set the number of destinations we'd like to reach within our travel time limit. This can be between 1 and 10. Here we're choosing 2. If you have more point layers, you have the option to add further opportunities. Lastly, simply press Run to start the computation. This usually takes a couple of seconds in an area this size. And here is our closest average heat map. Now let's take a closer look at the computed layer. When you click on a hexagon, you'll see the accessibility value, which shows the average travel time in minutes to reach the set number of opportunities from that hexagon, in this case 2 destinations. On this map, the lighter colors indicate lower travel time, meaning it takes less time to reach 2 destinations from those hexagons. So this is how you compute a closest average heat map. Try Goat today and visit our documentation for more information.